In civil engineering, speed often takes the spotlight. Tight schedules, client pressure, and competitive deadlines push teams to move faster, deliver sooner, and constantly outpace expectations. Yet, history continues to prove a quiet truth. The fastest design is not always the best one. The industry has seen countless projects where haste overshadowed diligence, where one unchecked contour, one overlooked annotation, or one misaligned pipe slope led to days of rework, lost credibility, and spiraling costs. The damage of a rushed design doesn't end with a revision. It extends to reputation, trust, and future opportunities. Before diving deeper, share your perspective in the comments. In your experience, what costs more in the long run? A delay caused by thorough checking, or a mistake caused by rushing? Quality control, on the other hand, is not a single task or a final box to tick before delivery. It is a philosophy that must run through every stage of the design process. A precise drawing is not the result of a last-minute review. It's the outcome of a disciplined system built to prevent errors before they appear. In civil engineering, every line represents a decision, and every decision carries consequences. When a firm invests in rigorous quality systems, it safeguards not just the project's accuracy, but also its long-term sustainability. Across the industry, design teams are beginning to recognize that efficiency is not measured by speed alone. True efficiency lies in the ability to deliver consistent results, minimize rework, and maintain confidence from start to finish. That requires structure, accountability, and a culture where quality is everyone's responsibility. In practice, this means engineers taking ownership of their work, cross-checking each other's outputs, and ensuring every submission stands up to scrutiny long before it reaches a client's review table. It means treating every project as a reflection of professional integrity rather than a race against the clock. AXA Engineers has become a clear example of how this mindset transforms performance. Quality assurance is embedded in its system as a continuous process, not a closing act. Each drawing passes through multiple layers of review, from the engineer's own verification to peer evaluation and final project management inspection. This structured approach ensures that quality remains consistent across projects and time zones, even under the pressure of international deadlines. The result is not just accuracy, but reliability, a level of dependability that allows partners to focus on design intent instead of worrying about oversight. Recognition from Autodesk has further highlighted this commitment. These acknowledgments are not simply awards, but validations that a well-built quality framework can elevate outsourcing from a service into a strategic advantage. AXA Engineers demonstrates that with the right system, global collaboration can enhance both precision and productivity, proving that excellence and speed are not opposites, but outcomes of the same disciplined process. Yet the deeper truth behind quality control goes beyond systems and reviews. It's about mindset. The most resilient engineering teams are those that embrace patience as a professional strength. They understand that time spent on review is not time lost, but value gained. Every extra minute of attention prevents hours of correction later. Every small adjustment today avoids larger problems tomorrow. This mindset builds confidence not only within teams, but also between firms and clients, creating relationships founded on reliability and respect. In the end, quality control is not the obstacle to progress. It is the compass that keeps it true. Speed fades the moment a project is delivered, but quality endures in every contour, every approval, every structure built upon those lines. The firms that understand this build more than drawings. They build trust. And in civil engineering, trust is the one foundation that never erodes. The future of this industry will not belong to those who move the fastest, but to those who move the most accurately. Because precision, once achieved, becomes a permanent advantage. We'd love to hear your perspective. Do you think today's industry rewards speed more than precision? Leave your thoughts below, because the way we define quality today will shape how our cities stand tomorrow.